it's Mrs. Splash. How are you? Mwah! I sure miss all of you. I hope everyone is healthy and doing well. Today I thought it would be kind of fun to do a mindful moment using my bell. You guys remember the bell, right? Yeah. So you probably remember how to do this, but let's try it together. So I'm going to ring the bell, and your job is to just focus on the sound of the bell. You're going to only be listening for that sound. And while you're listening, make sure that you're doing some nice belly breathing. Remember, in through your nose, out through your mouth. When you don't hear that sound of the bell anymore, that's when I want you to either raise your hand, or if you're closing your eyes during the bell, just go ahead and open them when you no longer hear the sound of the bell. Okay? So again, you can close your eyes, or you can leave them open. If you close your eyes, just open your eyes when you no longer hear the sound of the bell, or raise your hand when you no longer hear the sound of the bell. Okay? All right, let's give it a try. Here we go. Make sure you're belly breathing while you're listening, okay? All right. Nice job. Let's try one more. Again, this is a mindful moment because our brains are just focused on one thing right now, and we're really using our sense of hearing to just focus on that. All right, one more. Here we go. Oh, nice job. That one felt really good too. Were you able to keep all other sounds out of your brain during that time? Just for that moment? If you did, great job. That's a mindful moment. If you didn't, that's okay, because it takes practice. When your mind wanders, just gently bring it back to what's important and what you're focused on. It was so nice to see all of you. I hope everyone's doing well. I sure miss you. Again, make sure you check out the Social Emotional Learning tab on your online learning. I've got some great lessons on there I'd love you to do. And as always, if you need anything, email me, email your teachers, have your parents email me. I would love to connect with you and stay in touch. Have a great day.